If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below. Now we'll play the Travis picking pattern with the metronome. We're going to set it to 40 BPM, or 40 beats per minute, and we're going to play quarter notes, which means that we'll be playing one note per click, or be plucking right as the click is happening. So let's go ahead and turn our metronome on. Now we're going to prepare the thumb on the 6th string, and we're going to play the 6th and 4th strings. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Now we're going to introduce the 5th string. So that will be In this video, we're going to be covering Travis picking, and we'll be using the thumb on the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. When we pluck with the thumb on the 6th string, we're going to make sure that we use what we learned in the previous lesson about reverting back to the string after plucking. In this lesson, we're going to make sure that once we revert back, we are then going to move to the next string. Let's begin this exercise by starting with the thumb on the 6th string, E. And now we're going to pluck the 6th string open. Now we're going to move down to the 4th string with our thumb and play that open. And then we're going to move to the 5th string with the thumb and play that open now. And back to the 4th string. Now we're going to move on to the 2nd pattern. In this pattern, we'll be covering just the 6th and 4th strings to start. We'll begin by playing the thumb on the 6th string, open. And then we'll move on to the 4th string. Back to the thumb on the 6th, and now the thumb on the 4th. If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.